Okay, this is a dehumidifier. Let's see what comes in this. Okay, we have instructions, a controller. It has the hose. Ooh, it's the nice. It has a power button on and off. The water tank in the back. Okay, let's get this connected. Let's read the instructions and see how to go on about it. Oh, it does the air purifying. So we could do the air purifying. It has a defrost. You could put it as a timer. How many hours? 2 hours, 3. Let's see what's our max. You could do all the way to 24 hours, have it. And then if you could see here, it has a little one that will tell you when your tank is full. And the purifying. Right here. This is also your on and off. So if you have the controller, you could also off and on. This here is your water reservoir. And you can feel if you put your finger here, you can feel it. Here you don't feel as much, but on the sides here, you can feel the air. Let me see. I'll come back in an hour and see what it's done. Okay, let's check. How is it going? Let's see what's going on in the back. Oh, I can see a little bit of water in there already. You can see it right there. Look at the water.